Good evening, friends. Last class I stopped at the data pre-processing. Now we are discussing about first step of pre-processing. This is the pandas, so numpy as the nm, matlab as the npt, pandas as the np. Next we will load the data set into our cloud. This is the csv file, this is the data file. We must include this is the code for the to get the data file into program. This is the data file. Do check this. Okay, above the output showed the data set, which is two variable, salary and expensive. This is the salary and experience. The salary, this is the experience. After we need to extract the dependent variable and independent variable from the given data set. The independent variable, the year of the experience, and depend upon the salary. Below this code, this is x is equal to data set is locates the something. In below line of the code, x is else variable we will take as -1 variable, since we want to remove the last column from the data set. For y variable we have taken 1, the value of parameter, since we want to extract the second column indexing the start from 0. This is the value. So we check, you see, this is the value. Okay, then next we will split the both value into the test set and the training set. We have to 30 observations, so we'll take the 20 observation from the training set and 10 from the test data. We have splitting the data set to we can train our model data using the training data set, then the test model using the test data set. The code is given below. This is the code for the train data split into the two types. Test data, this is the train the data. We are splitting the x is the test data, y is the train data. We are splitting already. Second step, fitting the simple linear regression to the training set. Now the second step is to fit our model test training data set. To do, we will import the linear regression, the classes of the linear model library for the scripted line. Okay, this is the output. And then step 3, predict the test of the result in the dependent variable and independent variable experience. So we now our model data is ready to predict the output of the new observation. This is a step we will provide the data set new observation the model to check whether it can predict the correct output or not. Okay, then we are going to step 4, visualization the training result. Now in this step we will visualize the training set result to we will use the scatter function. The plot my is a py plot library. We will already import the pre-processing step in the scatter function. We will create a scatter point of observation. In the x-axis we will point the year of experience of employee. On the y-axis is the salary of the employee. In this function we will pass the real value of the training set. We will set, which means a year of experience x of train data, the set of y is equal to train, a color of the observation. Here we are taking a green color of the observation, but anyway the color per choice. Okay, this is the formula. Then we are this is the output for this. Okay, then step 5, visualizing the test result. This is the code. You can I will send the code, you can check the. Okay, then we are going to multilinear regression. Wait a minute, it is loading.